Let me tell you the formula of this lipstick. This lipstick is called as matte lipstick, and yes, it is a matte lipstick, not semi-matte, demi-matte, cream matte, nothing. Mattest matte lipstick. It is smudge proof, it is waterproof, it is transfer proof. The best ever lipstick in the affordable range. So red with cool undertone is my favorite, so I started with the basic one. Red lipstick, perfect for no makeup look, and also dusky skin tone people, this BB cream as a shade. This is a matte finish setting spray, and this gives a dewy finish. I feel this foundation is an underrated product. This one is the best for dry skin people. It blends so well, so smooth, the consistency, the texture, everything is so good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for showering your love towards my previous video. In this video, you're gonna see an Amazon makeup haul. This is my first makeup haul, complete Amazon makeup haul. Usually, I buy a mix of hair care products, skincare products, and also makeup along with it. But this time in this haul, you're gonna see a lot of makeup, especially from Swiss Beauty, Mars, Wet n Wild, L'Oreal, and so on. These are going to be an affordable haul. Will not make a hole on your pocket. So without any further blabbering, let's move on to the video. Is my bracelet making a sound? Is it a disturbance? So should I remove it? Okay, I'll remove it. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to show you is this very exciting part, is the lipstick. This one is my favorite lipstick, guys. This product has become my favorite lipstick. I use this, I test it out, and this is working so good. This is the Swiss Beauty's HD Matte Lipstick. Usually I don't like the formula, the consistency of bullet lipstick, because they tend to be creamy. Even if they are said to be matte, they'll call it like semi-matte, demi-matte, and all of that, but that isn't matte at all. And then I thought, let me try this one because it says HD matte lipstick, and I was like, okay, it's not that costly, so let's try it. And the formula is amazing, guys. It is the mattest bullet lipstick ever, and it's a very good dupe of Huda Beauty. Even the packaging is so cute, guys. It has that matte finish on the packaging. I'm definitely not going to throw this in the dustbin. I'm going to keep this because it's very cute and nice. Who wants to throw it? And I got the shade 06 Plum House. This shade is a beautiful shade. Let me tell you the formula of this lipstick. This lipstick is called as matte lipstick. And yes, it is a matte lipstick, not semi-matte, demi-matte, cream matte, nothing. Mattest matte lipstick. I tried this under water. You know what happened? I wore this lipstick in my previous video, which is the Aztec clay video, where I have to apply face mask on my face, and then after 20 minutes I washed my face with water. My lipstick did not move at all. It did not smudge, it did not transfer, and it did not move. I think this is the only bullet lipstick that I really like, because bullet lipstick tend to transfer, and I don't want my lipstick to be all over. The spoon I eat, the fork I use, the glass I drink, my lipstick is going to be everywhere if I use the bullet lipstick. Coming to the shade, this is a very nice deep pink shade that suits all skin tones so beautifully, and this shade will rock on dusky skin tone people especially. It is smudge proof, it is waterproof, it is transfer proof. The best ever lipstick in the affordable range. So now coming to the Swiss Beauty's Lip Palette. This is the outer packaging. This is also matte lip palette. After getting the lipstick, I thought I should definitely try this lip palette. And also this is not that costly, so I thought let me give it a try, and it has 10 shades of lipstick into it. This palette has a good mix of red, pinks, purple, nude and brown color, and I bought this in the shade 03. They also have 01 and 02, in which one of the palette is full of red colors, especially for bridal makeup, and the other palette has a mix of nude colors. And I bought the 03 because it has a mix of everything. But guess what, guys? This is that creamy lipstick which I told you that transfers everywhere. This is that. I really didn't expect this from this brand, but if you want to try, if you want to experiment what shades will suit your skin, then you can definitely try this one. This is inexpensive, so why not? I will do a separate review video on this, is watching all these shades and telling you about the formula, the consistency, trying and testing all of these shades. So stay tuned. The next one is a BB cream from Mars. Usually when there's a launch of BB creams or CC creams in the market, there's only going to be two shades. That is very fair and fair. That's it. My shade doesn't come under BB or CC cream, and so many years later, I saw the Mars the BB cream in my shade. The shade name is called Rich. This is a very good match to my skin tone. This BB cream is perfect to create that no makeup look. It gives you that low coverage. It gives you light coverage with slightly dewy finish, making your skin look natural. So this is something that I also really like. If I'm going for shopping or if I'm going to see any relatives, then I will definitely wear this Mars BB cream because this is light coverage. When I don't want the full glam makeup, this is something that I will definitely use. Perfect for no makeup look, and also dusky skin tone people, this BB cream as a shade. The next thing that I'm going to pick up is two products from Wet n Wild. The first product is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer in the matte variant. This primer has the consistency of a gel plus cream mixed together, so it is suitable for dry skin people as well. When a primer says matte, I expected it to be a gel kind of a consistency, but this has a creamy kind of a, not totally creamy, but cream plus gel mixed, as I told you. That kind of a consistency is suitable for all skin types, and the smoothness that this primer gives is so good, guys. A primer is supposed to give you that smooth finish, smooth base to apply foundation, but this one tops the list. I even own PSC's primer, but this one tops the list. Another product I bought from Wet n Wild is the Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. This looks like a mini setting spray, but this is not. This is the full size setting spray. I don't know why they have given like 45 ml. Only this much, guys. This is my palm and this is the bottle. After seeing the size, I thought I will be taking this to my vacation because it fits in handbag easily. But then I tried this at my home and I did not like this setting spray at all. Why? Because it gives a dewy finish. I don't know why a matte setting spray gives me a dewy finish. They should have named this as Wet n Wild Dewy Finish Setting Spray. This is a matte finish setting spray and this gives a dewy finish. After using this on my face, I felt that chip feeling. When you touch it, you feel that tacky feeling. I really did not like it. It gives me that tacky feeling. It makes my skin dewy. I don't know what's the purpose of this setting spray, so not recommended. The next one is the Sugar's Blend Trend Foundation Brush 052. This is a flat top Kabuki brush. I bought this brush because I wanted a slightly bigger Kabuki brush, and that's why I bought this. This is a flat top brush which is very good in blending the liquid foundation, cream foundation, stick foundation and all of that. So that's why I bought this. And this is also soft like any other brush. So quality wise, good. The next one is another lipstick. This is from the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. This liquid lipstick I believe was launched last year. Only now I thought I need new lipsticks. And I bought the basic shade which is the 01 Red Carpet. The shade range of this liquid lipstick is good, guys. They have browns, they have pinks, they have nudes, they have reds and everything, guys. If you're looking for affordable liquid lipstick, then go for this one. Or if you're a beginner starting with makeup, this is the best choice. Talking about the shade of this one, 01 Red Carpet, this is a straight up red with cool undertone to it. I really like when red comes in cool undertone rather than the warm undertone. When red has that warm undertone, I feel it looks like pink to my eyes. So red with cool undertone is my favorite. So I started with the basic one, red lipstick. I used this once. It is a very good liquid lipstick. When you apply liquid lipstick, it is not going to transfer, it is not going to smudge, it is not going to be everywhere. So liquid lipsticks are my best friend. I've also bought another shade from this range which will be in my next coming Amazon haul video. This is a very good lipstick in the affordable range. Next up, moving on to the foundation. This is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation. I bought the shade Golden Cappuccino. This foundation is a dewy finish foundation. If you are a dry skin person, definitely try this one. This foundation blends so good, guys. This one blends better than the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. I feel this foundation is an underrated product. This one is the best for dry skin people. It blends so well, so so smooth, the consistency, the texture, everything is so good. And this also has a golden sheen inside it, golden shimmer kind of a sheen inside it, which is not gonna show up on your skin, but I feel dry skin people it will suit best. For me, I have an oily skin, so this is not working that well. And also the shade Golden Cappuccino is 2 shades lighter to my skin tone. The other darkest shade available in the range is called Nutmeg. That shade would be 2 shades darker than my skin tone. So I thought of buying that shade and mixing both of this together and use it, but I have an oily skin, so this is not working on my skin. If I want to use it, I will mix it with my darker shade concealer. This is a very good buildable coverage foundation that looks so natural on your skin. Dry skin people, do buy this. Definitely buy this. You will thank me. The next and the final product I believe is the Wet. Oh, I have another product from Wet n Wild. This is the Ultimate Brow Kit. This is an eyebrow cake or eyebrow palette that has 2 shades, 2 powder shades and 1 wax attached to it. This kit also comes with a little tweezer and a spoolie attached with a brush. And also it comes with a tiny mirror inside. This product is so popular because this kit comes with a wax attached to it. If you want, you can use the powders directly onto your eyebrows, but if you want a little bit of color intensity, color payoff, then you can mix it with the wax and use it. So when you mix a powder product with the wax, it becomes a brow pomade. So if you like pomades, then do definitely try this one. But the color shades, I'm not very impressed. It gives you that natural finish to your look. That's why I told you it is beginner friendly. It has a dark brown shade and a light brown shade. I wish it has a grey and also a slightly black shade, which I like. So that's it guys. I've finished this haul. I hope you enjoyed watching this haul. I will definitely do a review on the Swiss Beauty Matte Lip Palette. Stay tuned for this one. Thank you so much. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Deepthi, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.